Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about pointer variables. Pointer is a variable which store memory address. Like here, A is the variable name, 40 is the value of the variable A, and here is the address, 1213 is the address that refers to the memory which name is A and value is 40. Same case with the B, but B contains address of the variable A. So B is a pointer variable which is pointing toward a variable. So the address of B is 1216, but the value of B, which is address. So the definition is pointer is a variable which store memory address. B contains memory address. That's why it is pointer variable. Now we are going toward implementation. So declare variables like integer variable x, z, and b is the float variable, and here declare integer type pointer variable y. So what is mean that y will store the address of integer type data. Okay, so here y is equal to x, but this is wrong because we are going to store the value of x into y, but y is the pointer variable. So first write here ampersand sign, which means that we are going to store the address of the x variable into the y. So the value of x is 6. First of all, printf value of y, simply print y, save and run the program by clicking the button or press F11. The value of y is here because this is the address. So this is the address of x. So if I want to display the value of x, then write static here, run and compile the program, and the value of y is 6. The actual value is x. Value of x is, by using static, we can get the value of the address which is in y. So like that, we can also get the address of y is here. And also, first of all, what is the address of x? Ampersand sign x address of x 648457 and also same 6487572, but you can display like this way. X, address of x, and address of x. run the program, and now new line, address of X 6487572 is same. So you can display the value of X which is same. So by using static we can get the value of X. So value of X is 6, value of X is 6, but we cannot store the address of B into Y because Y is integer and B is float. So run the program, and here is the warning: assignment from incompatible pointer type. So this is not true. This is also invalid that X is equal to ampersand Z. We are going to store address of the Z variable into the X, but it is not valid because X is not a pointer variable, so we cannot store the address of Z into X. So suppose A, B, 3, the value of A is 2, and here create X which is equal to A and Y which is equal to ampersand B. So if X greater than Y, then and else here. So simply Y greater and here X greater, run the program. So Y greater, because the value of Y is 3. So we can get the value of the address which is in X by using this. So we can use the pointer variable in more operations like this example. So thank you for watching this video.